Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we dive into the world of Mazda CX-5 brake pads to find the absolute best performers. Stay tuned for expert insights and recommendations to keep your ride safe and smooth. Let's get started. Automobile dashing away. Number 1. APF Brake Pads are an absolute game-changer for Mazda CX-5 owners. Unparalleled performance meets reliability, delivering an unmatched driving experience. Say goodbye to worries about braking efficiency and embrace smoother rides with confidence. These pads have truly exceeded my expectations, enhancing safety and precision on the road. If you're a Mazda CX-5 enthusiast, these brake pads are an absolute must-have. Upgrade your driving game today with APF Brake Pads. They'll never let you down. Number 2. Rebestos Brake Pads. Unleash your Mazda CX-5's true power. Rocket. Revolutionize your driving experience with Rebestos Brake Pads, the ultimate game-changer for your Mazda CX-5. These pads are engineered to perfection, delivering unmatched stopping power, supreme durability, and whisper-quiet braking. Say goodbye to brake fade and embrace a safer, smoother ride. Whether you're cruising through city streets or conquering rough terrains, Rebestos has got your back. Upgrade to the best and feel the difference. Elevate your CX-5's performance now. Fire wrench flexed biceps. Number 3. Bosch BC1623. Unleash your Mazda CX-5's true braking power. Automobile dashing away, these brake pads are the game changers your car deserves. With Bosch's top-notch quality and precision engineering, the Bosch pads deliver unmatched stopping performance, ensuring you cruise with confidence on any road. Say goodbye to worries and embrace the ultimate driving experience. Upgrade your CX-5 today with Bosch and witness the difference it makes. Your safety and thrill behind the wheel are non-negotiable. Number 4. Wagner QC1623 brake pads are the ultimate game-changer for Mazda CX-5 owners. These pads redefine stopping power, ensuring a smooth and safe ride. From city streets to open highways, they impress with their exceptional performance and reliability. Upgrade your braking experience with Wagner, and let these pads be your CX-5's new best friend on the road. Unleash the full potential of your Mazda and conquer every journey confidently. Number 5. CXX Brake Pads. Unleash your Mazda CX-5's true braking power. Upgrade your Mazda CX-5's braking performance with CXX Brake Pads. These pads are tailored for CX-5 drivers, delivering unbeatable stopping power and precise control on the road. Say goodbye to brake fade and embrace the confidence of smooth, responsive braking. With CXX, safety meets style, making every drive a thrilling experience. Don't compromise on quality. Choose CXX Brake Pads and take your CX-5 to new heights of driving excellence. In conclusion, after exploring various options, we've narrowed down the best brake pads for the Mazda CX-5. These top choices ensure optimal performance, reliability, and safety for your vehicle. Remember, regular maintenance is crucial for a smooth driving experience. Thanks for watching, and we hope this guide helps you make an informed decision to keep your Mazda CX-5 running at its best. Drive safely.